Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Hachiko Inu token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Hachiko Inu, inspired by the legendary Japanese doge Hachiko, known for his remarkable loyalty. Their token embodies these values in crypto space. They believe in building a community that stands together through market in fluctuations and celebrates every milestone as a family. Hachiko was launched on BSC network through 4 memes, creating a solid foundation for their journey. Hachiko Inu project institution rating is 3.1. Hachiko Inu token total supply is 945.98 million and circulating supply is also 934.43 million Hachiko token is listed on KCX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.